I'm going to put a little bit of lotion on your hand, and you're going to get to wash, okay? Here we go. Okay, here. Here we go. Okay. Rub your hands together. I'm going to rub your hand. Yeah. Let's all look at our hands. Let's all put our hands out here for the camera. Can we? Our hands look clean, don't they?
Yeah.
Would you eat a cookie right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, because your hands look clean, don't they? But are they really clean?
No.
If you got germs on them or if you sneezed, chew. We're going to go wash our hands. Okay. There you go. Wet your hands. And now with some soap. Now rub them really good all around. Now between your fingers. Yes, that's so good. Now like this. Yeah, good, good. Okay, now rinse your hands. Good rinse. That's a good rinse. Towel turned off with the paper towel here. Now you can dry your hands. Dry like this. Dry like this. All around.
Oh. Crazy.
Okay, now let's see.
Oh.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh,
See, that's
turn
kind
it
of what
over.
misses. Oh, yeah, look. Right there.
Ow.
Do you see that? That's very good. It looks clean, but when we look at it this way.
Look at her hand.
Yeah, that's where she's missing when she washed.